A pet nail trimmer that's supposedly whisper quiet and stress-free for dogs and cats. That's the promise behind the Heusom Silent Groom Pro. But is it really a silent grooming situation or just another overhyped gadget? So the Heusom Silent Groom Pro pet nail grinder is an electric nail grinder designed to trim pets' claws more gently than traditional clippers. The company says the monitor operates at under 40 decibels, which is meant to reduce anxiety for pets during grooming sessions. It also includes multiple grinding ports and speed settings to handle different pet sizes and nail thickness. Electric nail grinders like this can have real benefits. Grinding smooths the nails instead of cutting it sharply. Lower vibration can help with nervous pets, and cordless rechargeable designs make grooming easier at home. Some owners say the device is reasonably quiet and easy to use for regular maintenance, but there are a few common complaints. Some buyers report the grinder isn't as silent as advertised. Others say the grinding power can be too weak for thicker dog nails, and refund policies may require paying return shipping, which frustrates some customers. Also, many grinders exist at much lower prices since this type of tool isn't unique. So is the Silent Groom Pro a real quiet pet nail trimmer? Yes, it's a legitimate electric nail grinder, and tools like this can help make trimming less stressful. But the whisper silent marketing is slightly exaggerated, and similar grinders often cost far less. The bottom line, the Silent Groom Pro works like a standard pet nail grinder, useful but not revolutionary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.